Welcome friends. Today we will discuss about GPCR signaling or CAMP pathway. The GPCR signaling are studied under 5 points. First point are signaling molecules, that is EGF, epidermal growth factors, and epidermal growth factors may be growth factors or growth hormones. Second point, receptors. In the GPCR signaling, receptors are GPCR, that is G protein coupled receptor, is also known as EGFR, that means epidermal growth factor receptors. Third point, signaling conveyor. In this, the signaling conveyor are G protein. G proteins are multi-structural proteins that have 3 components that will be discussed about earlier. Fourth, signal transducer. In this, the signal transducer are CAMP, that is cyclic adenosine monophosphate. It is a second messenger. Now, fifth point are cellular response or effect. Cellular response or effect are the function that after the signaling perform. So, this point are discussed after the mechanism of GPCR signaling. Now, come to the mechanism of GPCR signaling. In the GPCR signaling, first we see in there, it is the cell membrane. In the cell membrane, GPCR are present, that is G protein coupled receptor, is also known as 7 transmembrane receptors because it 7 times turn into the cell membrane. When the signaling molecules may be growth factors or growth hormones are come, the GPCR, that is receptors, are receive the signal and activate their domain. When the GPCR domain are activate, which gives signal to the G proteins. G proteins are activated by binding of GTP. When GTP bind with G protein, the G protein are active and they transmit signal to the adenylyl cyclase enzyme, which is also attached to the cell membrane. This membrane, after the signaling, take ATP and form CAMP. After the CAMP formation, these cyclic AMP molecules are move forward and bind to the phosphokinase enzyme. Phosphokinase enzyme are multi-structural and have 2 units, that is regulatory unit and enzymatic unit. When the cyclic AMP molecules are bind with the regulatory unit, these phosphokinase enzyme are active and regulatory unit are separate, and then the enzymatic unit are become active. When the active phosphokinase enzyme are phosphorylate other molecules. These phosphorylating molecules are transcription factors, that is also called CRAVE. These CRAVEs are enter into the nucleus. When CRAVE are enter into the nucleus, that allow to the produce cyclin. These cyclin are perform function in the cell cycle process. So the cellular response during the GPCR signaling are cell cycle or cellular growth or cell cycle regulation. I hope this video are enjoy and useful for you. So please like, subscribe and press bell icon for notification. Thank you.